Hello dear students, in previous lecture we studied about the chlorobenzene method of preparation and one kind of substitution reaction, one type of chemical reaction, that is a nucleophilic substitution reaction carried out by chlorobenzene. Now the second type of chemical reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction, that is carried out by benzene present in chlorobenzene. So this is a chlorobenzene. Now the electrophilic substitution reaction is always carried out on benzene ring. So simple or common electrophilic substitution reactions are there, as we know. One is nitration, then sulfonation, then halogenation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction. So one by one we discuss all these reactions. So very first reaction is nitration reaction. Nitration means again we are taking our reactant as chlorobenzene. So I think you know girls what is this nitrating mixture. Yes, it is a 1:1 mixture of concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4, which is called as a nitrating mixture. So here we get the compound nitration takes place at ortho position or at para position. Why it is so? Why further substitution takes place at ortho and para position? Yes, because this Cl is a halogen. Halogen is activating group, and activating groups, they are OP directing groups, and therefore what we get? We get two compounds, that is ortho nitro and para nitrochlorobenzene as a final product. Then next one is a sulfonation reaction. In sulfonation reaction we take sulfuric acid. So this react with concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Again it form two product where ortho substitution takes place at one product. So substitution, sulfonation means substitution of SO3H, so at ortho position and at para position. And girls, you also knew that whenever sulfonic acid is there, the name of the compound is always given by sulfonic acid. So what is the name of this compound? We call it as a orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. So these are the compounds or products formed during sulfonation. The next reaction is simple halogenation. Halogenation, it may be chlorination, it may be bromination. So simple, we are taking this chlorobenzene, it undergoes halogenation. So what we get? We get two types of compound. One, substitution of halogen takes place at ortho position in one compound, and substitution at para position takes place in another compound. So name of the compound, it is a orthochlorobenzene. We can call it also 1,2-dichlorobenzene or 1,4-dichlorobenzene, or it is a parachlorobenzene. The next one is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction. So we are carried out first alkylation reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So here this chlorobenzene, it reacts with alkyl halide. We are taking methyl chloride, and very important is this AlCl3. So what we get? We get two compounds where substitution takes place at ortho position, where CH3 gets substituted here, or at para position. So we get this another compound. So what is the name of this compound? Yes, it is a orthomethyl chlorobenzene or paramethyl chlorobenzene. And what about the acylation? Whenever alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation is there, we use CH3Cl or RCl, but in case of acylation we use ROCl. So we are taking here RCOCl. So suppose we are taking CH3COCl, that is acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride again react in presence of AlCl3, and we get now this COCH3 get attached here or it gets substituted. So we get one compound at ortho position where substitution at ortho position takes place, and another compound where substitution at para position takes place. So what is the name of this compound? Yes, this is a carbonyl group. This is a ketone. So this is the main compound. So this is acetophenone, and the chloro group is attached at ortho position. We call it as a orthochloroacetophenone, or we call it as a para-chloroacetophenone. So these are the 5 reactions that are the electrophilic substitution reaction which are carried out by the compound, that is chlorobenzene.